Everyone, welcome to Bambatha Kamancinza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kuSibongile and Dlamini's kusukela ngoMsombuluko mhla 3 February 2025 kuya ngoLwesithathu mhla ka 5 February 2025. NgoMsombuluko mhla 3 February 2025, Sibongile's family is worried about her well-being at the risk of bringing shame to her family. Uvelephi leads a protest in her honor. Wenzeni is so determined to help Sibongile that she attempts to skip school. NgoLwesibili mhla 4 February 2025, uSibongile is still traumatized after her ordeal. Vuma seems how important Kwenzo is to Sibongile. Mavis and Nomfundo both enter a chakalaka cooking competition. What could go wrong? NgoLwesithathu mhla 5 February 2025, uSibongile is aspired to reclaim her power upon her return to varsity. But much has changed that she doesn't understand. Upetseni discovers Samke has ulterior motives for befriending her, while Samke has a surprise waiting at the factory reopening after party. Ngiyabamba lapho ungakhohlwa ukuqondisa notification button nokusubscribe noma ushiye umbono wakho. Bye.